In this video, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to make this beautiful tote bag out of fabric. This is a very beginner friendly tutorial. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So I have my two pieces of fabric, which is going to be my main fabric, and it is 46 centimeters by 26 centimeters. I'm going to cut out two pieces. Then I have my lining, which is black. I have the first lining piece, which is one piece, which is measuring 33 by 46 centimeters. Then I have my other lining piece, which is 82 centimeters by 46 centimeters. So this is my second lining. Then I have two straps, which are 12 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So these are the straps for the bags. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold and press the straps for the bag. I'll fold it at the center, then I'll give it a second fold. I'll show you soon, so just stick around. This is the second fold. As you can see, I'm going to fold and press. Then I'm going to stitch them on both sides. I'll take this to my sewing machine, then I'm going to stitch on both sides, as you can see me do. So guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Then I'm going to start stitching find the midpoint of my main fabric. Then from the midpoint, this is the midpoint, I'm going to, let me just fold it to find an accurate midpoint. So from the midpoint, I'm going to measure 10 centimeters on both sides. So this is where I'm going to be putting my straps. Do the same on the other side, as you can see. Then I'm going to place my straps. Then I'm going to stitch on both sides up to that end. Don't go all the way. So I'm just going to stitch and the other side as well. So after stitching the other side, this is how they are going to look. So I've stitched this one, and I've also stitched this other one. Remember, I had cut out two. Then I'm going to place my lining, my 46 by 33 centimeter lining, on top of the straps. Then I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch at the bottom. So I'm just going to place it, as you can see me do. Then I'm going to run a straight stitch right here. Then this is how it looks after stitching on one side. I'm just going to open it up for you guys. Then I'm going to place the other one as well and stitch it on the other side. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to stitch on the other side as well. Then after stitching, I'm just going to press with my hot steam iron. Just going to give it a very good press, as you can see me do. Then I'm going to top stitch right here in black, and the other one lining, or top stitch on top of the lining, as you can see me do. Then after top stitching on both sides, we're going to move on. So this is how it looks. I'm going to stitch right sides facing each other. I'll take it to the sewing machine. I'll stitch the right sides of the bag. I'll stitch from the wrong sides, right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to mark a 14 centimeter diagonal. I'm just going to measure 14 centimeters, then draw a diagonal, a horizontal line. I'll do the same on the other side. Then I'm going to stitch. Then after stitching the other sides, I'm just going to get my pair of scissors and I'm going to trim this off. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. So this is how it looks after sewing. So now we're going to work on the lining. Remember, I had two lining pieces. I had the smaller one and the bigger one. This is the bigger lining I'm going to work on. So I'm going to stitch right there where I've marked in chalk. Then where I've not marked, I'm going to leave it open. So this opening is about 16 centimeters. This is going to be for turning of the whole bag out. I'll show you what I mean by turning, so just stick around. So I'm going to stitch over here as well where I've marked with my chalk. So I'm just running a straight stitch, as you can see me do. Then I'm also going to run another stitch on the other two sides where I marked with my chalk. So I've just stitched this side. Then I'm going to do the same thing I did by measuring 14 centimeters, the same thing I did on the main pink fabric. Then I'm going to trim this off and stitch. I'm going to stitch the other side and trim it off. Then we're going to place the right side of the lining and the right sides of the bag facing each other. I'm just going to put my lining right sides. I'll put the right sides of my bag into the lining. Yes. So I'm just going to place it as you can see me do. Then I'm going to put the handles inside, the bag handles or the straps. Then I'm going to run a stitch all around the top here. So I'm going to stitch everywhere here. Then I'm just taking the sewing machine and stitch all around, as you can see me do. Then after stitching, I'm going to, remember I left out an opening on the lining, so I'm going to turn it out using the lining opening that I left out. So in case your opening is too small, you can always trim off with the seam ripper and make it bigger. Then I'm going to close this, and finally I'm also going to top stitch. So guys, if you found this video useful and you've watched up to this far, please don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So I'm going to press. We're not done, guys. We need to press and top stitch. Very, very important to help us have a professional look. So I'm just going to press with my hot steam iron. Then I'm also going to top stitch together with the handle. I'm going to top stitch over here. So just take it the sewing machine and top stitch. Then after top stitching, I'm going to give it another good press. So guys, this is how you easily make this beautiful simple tote bag. You can do it from scratch as a beginner. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So guys, I have my beautiful tote bag as simple as ABC. Isn't that lovely, guys? Subscribe for more and give this video a thumbs up, and you can let me down in the comment section if you have any question. Bye.